class. Today we're going to learn order of operations. We have parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, whatever comes first, left to right, and then addition or subtraction, whatever comes first, left to right. So we have to follow the order of operations. It's just like baking a cake. You have to follow the order. In our first example, and I put the order up at top, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, whatever comes first. That's why they're both in the same color. And then addition or subtraction, whatever comes first, left to right. So in this example here, we don't have parentheses. We don't have exponents. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, we have multiplication. So we need to do the multiplication first. So 5 times 2 is 10. And I'm just going to rewrite the rest of the problem. Please follow the process and write the problem down. And then we took care of multiplication division, and now we have to do addition or subtraction, and here we have addition. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So our answer to this problem is 13. Okay, so in example 2, we do have parentheses. So we need to do 2 plus 3 first. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have cleared the parentheses. So 7 times 5 minus 8. Ooh, sorry, it's bad 8. Let me fix that. Okay, so there's no exponents. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, multiplication. So 7 times 5 is 35. Then I rewrite the problem. 35 minus 8. And now we do 35 minus 8, which is 27. Okay, let's try another one. Example 3. We do not have parentheses, but we do have an exponent right here. So 3 squared, or 3 to the second power, let's remember what that means. We're taking 3 and we're multiplying it by itself 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So under 3 squared, I'm going to put 9. I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem. 10 minus 9 plus 20. So we do not have multiplication or division. All we have left is addition or subtraction. Whatever comes first, left to right. So we have to follow left to right. So we do 10 minus 9 is 1. I rewrite the rest of the problem. And then we have 1 plus 20, which is 21. Great job. Let's try another one. We have parentheses. So we do 2 plus 3 first, which is 5. We keep the squared, minus 4. So let's remember, we have an exponent. So we're 5 squared means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So now we have 25 minus 4. And we have 21 as our answer. Again, I promise I didn't plan on that. So 21 is our answer. Example 5. Once again, I see parentheses. So we're doing that first. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So I'm going to rewrite the entire problem. So we have 4 plus 4 to the third times 3. Now I need to do my exponents. So 4 to the third power, or 4 cubed, is 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. And now we have to do 16 times 4. You could pause the video and do 16 times 4 on the side of your paper. You should get 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. So underneath 4 to the third, I'm putting 64. So I'm rewriting the problem. 4 plus 64 times 3. So now I have to do my multiplication or division. So I need to multiply 64 times 3. Pause the video and do 64 times 3 on the side of your paper. Okay, you should get 192. I'm going to rewrite the problem. I'm running out of room here. So 192 plus 4 is 196. So even though the problem looks more complicated, you still follow the same order of operations. Okay, so here's a real world application. A painter charges $15 per hour and works for 8 hours. The paint costs $45. Right, what's the total cost for painting the room? Write out the expression first and then solve. So we know the painter charges $15 per hour and works for 8 hours. So we're going to do that part first. And then we know that the paint costs $45. So we're going to add $45 to find out what our total cost is to paint this room. So let's follow the order of operations. There's no parentheses, there's no exponents, but there's multiplication. So 15 times 8. Pause the video and do 15 times 8 on your paper. Okay, so you should have gotten 120. And now we're going to add 45 to 120. And you should get 165. So it's going to cost $165 to paint this room for this project. All right, I hope you understand orders of operations. Have a great day.